Welcome back. The next part of the video, I'm going to talk about student-centered approaches. So the first one is discovery learning, then we'll look at project-based learning, we'll then look at resource-based learning, problem-based, inquiry-based and issues-based learning, and situated learning. So they're the types of student-centered approaches that we can use in a classroom. I'd say that a lot of these approaches that I'm going to be talking about now are for our average learners, and sometimes even better suited for our gifted learners. Let's look at the first one, discovery learning. Now, discovery learning is based upon the constructivist approach. And within the constructivist approach, that basically is saying that we construct our own learning by giving certain questions or guidelines. Students can make meaning out of the problem we've given them. Now, with discovery learning, there's the unstructured approach, or the guided discovery. Now, unstructured approaches is pretty much what we would use in problem-based learning, in a secondary science or mathematics lesson. And it's giving students the idea that letting them discover what works and what doesn't work in a science presentation. Now, I could say that one thing that I've learned is that guided discovery is better than unstructured discovery, because guided discovery is much tighter. When we're using guided discovery, we want the students to learn certain skills, so we give them certain tasks to do that allows them to discover for themselves. Now, there is a fair amount of teacher direction in guided discovery learning, but the good thing about guided discovery learning is that the students are actively involved. It's pretty much motivating for them. It's authentic discovery. It does build on their prior knowledge, and it does encourage independence. But when teachers are designing guided discovery lessons, it's very time consuming. The students have to have a high degree of literacy and numeracy. The activity does require a fair amount of difficulty for some students, and there's poor outcomes when teachers are not good at designing these kind of lessons.